Which of the following combinations can be used to synthesize alcohol? If you see, in all the 4 options we have Grignard's reagent here. How to prepare alcohols from Grignard's reagent? Formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent to give primary alcohols. Any other aldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent to form secondary alcohols. And ketone react with Grignard reagent to form tertiary alcohol. So in the first option, Grignard reagent is treated with ketone. So let us know the shortcut for this equation. CH3Mgi is the Grignard's reagent given. Now it is treated with CH3 C double bond O CH3. The shortcut here is remove this double bond, put H here and R of Grignard's reagent here. So what will I get? CH3C OH CH3 and R of Grignard's reagent is CH3. Means Grignard reagent reacts with ketone to form tertiary alcohol. Now let us see second option. In second option, Grignard's reagent is treated with ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is a compound containing active hydrogen. What is active hydrogen? Hydrogen bonded to an electronegative element is active hydrogen. So when Grignard's reagent is treated with active hydrogen containing compounds, you will get corresponding alkanes. How will we get alkanes here? Write R of Grignard's reagent and active hydrogen. That is the product obtained there. Means we will get methane here. So in the second option, we are not getting alcohol from this option. Now let us see third option. Grignard's reagent, excess of Grignard's reagent is treated with ester. Now what happens? When Grignard's reagent is treated with ester, here also we have to learn one shortcut. Remove OC2H5 or in general remove OR and put R of Grignard's reagent. Means what will we get here? CH3 C double bond O, R of Grignard reagent is CH3. When 1 mole of Grignard reagent is treated with ester, we will get ketone. But in the given equation, excess of Grignard reagent is taken. So the formed ketone again reacts with Grignard's reagent. The formed ketone again reacts with Grignard's reagent. So what will I get? CH3C. What shortcut we learn? Put H here, remove double bond, put H here and write R of Grignard's reagent. So this is the product obtained. So again we are getting tertiary alcohol here. Now let us see the last option. In the last option, what is there? Grignard's reagent is treated with formic ester. Again, what shortcut we learned here? When Grignard's reagent is treated with any ester, remove OR and put R of Grignard's reagent there. So what will I get? HC double bond O, R of Grignard's reagent is CH3. So I am getting aldehyde. This aldehyde reacts with Grignard's reagent again, because again here also we are taking excess of Grignard's reagent. So what shortcut I taught you? Remove this double bond, put H here and R of Grignard's reagent here. So what will I get? HC OH CH3 and CH3 here. Means I am getting a secondary alcohol here. So going back to your question, first option gives alcohol, third option gives alcohol and fourth option also gives alcohol. So option 3, 4 and 1 is the correct answer.